This is section 3.4, properties of logs, and in this section we're going to expand and condense logs and LNs from using these three properties. So we have the product property, which says if you have the log of m times n and you're expanding it, it turns into the log of m plus the log of n. And vice versa, if you have it this way, log of m plus log of n, you can condense it into log m times n. We have the quotient property that says log of m over n is equal to log of m minus log of n. So if you're expanding, you go from division to subtraction. And if you're condensing, you go from subtraction to division.
Notice that when you go from subtraction to division, that it condenses to a single logarithm, and there's no longer two. It's not the log of m over the log of n. It's just log of m over n.
Yeah, one log out front, not a log in each. And then your power property, which says log base b of m to the n, is n times log base b of m. So this power gets brought down in the front and gets multiplied in front of the log when you expand. And then if there is a number out front, it goes and becomes the exponent when you're condensing. So you have examples of each. My first two are expanding. So I have log of 2x to the third y. So because 2x to the third y are all being multiplied together, I know multiplication turns into addition. So I have log 2 plus. Now my exponent wants to come in front of my log here. So I have plus 3 log x. And then my y plus log y. So multiplication, they all turn into addition when you're expanding. And then your power has to come in front. And because it's just x to the third, the 3 is just in front of your log x. This is ln of 5a over b squared. So my 5a is being multiplied. So when I expand it, I have ln 5 plus ln a. And because that's all in the exponent, I want to put that in parentheses. Because it's all in the numerator, I want to put that in parentheses to denote that it's in the numerator. And then in the denominator here, I have b squared. So because it's a fraction, I subtract. My power comes down in front of just the b, because it's just b squared. So I have minus 2 ln b. And when I'm condensing, I'll have something like 2 log x plus 3 log y. So now we know that addition, when you're condensing, turns into multiplication. So my log x and log y, I have log x times y. This 2 becomes the exponent, so I have x squared, and this 3 becomes the exponent to get y cubed. So my final answer is log x squared y cubed. And then this one says log base 2 of a plus 4 log base 2 of b minus log base 2 of c. So when you're condensing, you only have one log again for each of these. So this is log base 2, since log base 2 is my log in all of those. Addition becomes multiplication, and my 4 becomes the exponent. So I have a times b to the 4th. And then subtraction turns into division. So that's minus c here. And again, you only have one log. So log base 2, and this is all in parentheses. A times b to the 4th over c.